Hello and welcome to Consumer Tech. Today, we're diving into the best 3D printers of 2025. From budget-friendly options to high-performance machines, we've got you covered. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these top picks will take your 3D printing game to the next level. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Let's get started. Number 5. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is a high-performance 3D printer designed for speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring a Core XY system with accelerations up to 20,000 ms², it delivers rapid prints without compromising quality. The generous build volume of 256 x 256 x 256 mm allows for a wide range of projects, from prototypes to functional parts. Equipped with a hardened steel nozzle and an all-metal hot end that reaches 300°C, it supports various filaments, including PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, ASA, PVA, PET, and advanced materials like PA, PC, and carbon or glass fiber reinforced polymers. Dual auto bed leveling ensures a flawless first layer, while the built-in camera enables remote monitoring. Additional features, such as an auxiliary part cooling fan and chamber temperature control, enhance print quality, particularly with demanding materials. For those interested in multi-material printing, the X1 Carbon is compatible with the Automatic Material System AMS, allowing seamless filament switching. The sleek, metal gray exterior with transparent glass doors combines aesthetics with functionality, making it suitable for professional and home use. With a compact footprint of 389 x 389 x 457 mm, it fits easily into various workspaces. Pricing varies based on configuration, with the standalone printer available for approximately $1,410, while bundles including the AMS and accessories can reach $1,449. Given its advanced features and reliability, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is an excellent investment for users seeking a powerful, user-friendly 3D printing experience. Number 4. Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. The Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra is a cutting-edge resin 3D printer designed to deliver exceptional precision and efficiency. Featuring a 7-inch monochrome LCD with a stunning 9K resolution of 8,520 x 4,320 pixels, it ensures incredibly detailed prints with an impressive XY accuracy of 18 x 18 microns. The generous build volume of 153 x 77 x 165 mm accommodates a wide range of projects, while the rapid curing time of just 2.2 seconds per layer enhances productivity. A 4-inch capacitive touch panel provides an intuitive interface, and versatile connectivity options including USB and Wi-Fi make file transfers seamless. Compact yet sturdy, the printer's dimensions of 260 x 268 x 451.5 mm and weight of 8.8 kilograms make it a practical addition to any workspace. Beyond its precision and ease of use, the Mars 5 Ultra prioritizes durability and intelligent functionality. A tempered glass screen protector safeguards the LCD from resin spills and scratches, while automatic leveling ensures hassle-free setup. The tilt-release feature minimizes print failures, and built-in sensors monitor resin levels and detect failures to prevent waste. Originally priced at $338, it is often available at a reduced price of $269.99, offering outstanding value for its capabilities. Whether for hobbyists or professionals, the Mars 5 Ultra stands out as a reliable and high-performance resin 3D printer. Number 3. Prusa MK4. The original Prusa MK4 is a testament to Prusa Research's commitment to advancing 3D printing technology. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the MK4 introduces several noteworthy enhancements that cater to both novice and experienced users. One of the standout features is the extruder system, which boasts a load cell sensor ensuring an always perfect first layer, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. This innovation simplifies the printing process, making it more user-friendly. Additionally, the MK4's automatic calibration and one-click printing capabilities further enhance its ease of use, allowing users to start their projects with minimal setup. The printer's build volume measures 9.84 x 8, 3 x 8.6 inches, providing ample space for a variety of projects. Its magnetic heat bed, paired with removable PEI spring steel sheets, ensures excellent first-layer adhesion and effortless print removal. The MK4 supports a wide range of materials including PLA, PETG, ASA, and flexible TPU, thanks to its maximum nozzle temperature of 290 dU4C and a heated bed that can reach up to 120 dU4C. Connectivity options are robust, featuring USB, Ethernet, and optional Wi-Fi, allowing for seamless integration into various workflows. The 3.5-inch full-color graphic LCD provides an intuitive interface, complete with G-code thumbnails and customizable settings. Priced at $1,099 for the fully assembled version and $799 for the kit, the MK4 positions itself as a premium offering in the 3D printer market. Its combination of advanced features, user-friendly design, and reliable performance makes it a compelling choice for those serious about 3D printing. Number 2. Anycubic Photon Mono 4. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4 is a remarkable addition to the world of resin 3D printing, offering a blend of high-resolution capabilities and user-friendly features that cater to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. At its core, this printer boasts a 7-inch monochrome LCD screen with an impressive 10K resolution, translating to a pixel size of just 17 microns. This level of detail ensures that even the most intricate designs are rendered with exceptional precision, making it ideal for applications such as miniature models, jewelry prototypes, and detailed figurines. The optimized build platform is laser engraved, enhancing adhesion during the printing process and reducing the likelihood of print failures. In terms of build volume, the printer offers dimensions of 153, 4x87 x 165 millimeters, providing ample space for a variety of projects. Whether you're crafting a custom phone case or a detailed tabletop gaming piece, this build volume strikes a balance between accommodating larger designs and maintaining a compact footprint suitable for desktop use. Speed is another area where the Photon Mono 4 excels. With standard resin, it achieves printing speeds of up to 50 mm per H, and with high-speed resin, this can be increased to 70 mm per H. This efficiency doesn't come at the expense of quality, allowing users to produce high-detail prints in a fraction of the time compared to some other models on the market. The printer's light turbo matrix provides stable and uniform exposure, resulting in smooth surfaces and eliminating common issues like layer lines. User convenience is further enhanced by the printer's pre-calibrated setup, requiring minimal assembly for quick startup. The manual 4-point leveling system is straightforward, ensuring optimal results without a steep learning curve. Positioned as an affordable option for those seeking high-resolution resin printing, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 combines advanced specifications, efficient performance, and ease of use, making it a compelling choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 3D printer is a remarkable addition to the world of additive manufacturing, offering a blend of user-friendly features and advanced capabilities that cater to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. One of its standout features is the fully automated calibration system, which meticulously adjusts the Z offset, bed leveling, vibration resonance, and nozzle pressure for every print job, eliminating the tedious manual calibrations that often deter newcomers. With the A1, users can bid farewell to the traditional paper method for bed leveling, as the printer employs the nozzle itself to measure the absolute Z offset, ensuring optimal first layer adhesion. The A1 also boasts a generous 256 x 256 x 256 mm build volume, surpassing many entry-level printers. This ample build space allows users to create sizable projects, such as printing a full-scale helmet in one go, expanding the horizons of what's possible. Additionally, the advanced motion control system, equipped with low-drag linear rails, a powerful microcontroller unit (MCU), accelerometers, and a nozzle pressure sensor, enables high-speed printing with acceleration up to 10,000 mm S-ward round, allowing for rapid yet precise fabrication of complex models. Multicolor printing is made accessible through the AMS light system, which supports up to 4 different filaments, enabling intricate color transitions and combinations within a single print. The quick swap nozzle feature further enhances user convenience, allowing for easy maintenance with a simple clip mechanism. Noise reduction is another area where the A1 excels, utilizing active motor noise canceling technology to keep operating noise under 48 dB in silent mode, making it one of the quietest 3D printers available. Connectivity options offer flexibility, with the ability to connect via the Bambu Cloud service or a LAN-only mode for added privacy. Priced at $399 for the base model and $559 for the combo package with the AMS Lite, the A1 provides exceptional value. Its combination of advanced features, ease of use, and competitive pricing makes it an excellent choice for those looking to enter the world of 3D printing or enhance their existing capabilities.